everyone. This is Naima Mumtaz, and today's topic is mission, vision, and values. Our learning objective is that students will be able to explain mission, vision in general. So, what is a mission or mission statement? The Glossary of Education Reform 2015 defined the term mission is a public declaration that schools or other educational organizations use to describe their founding purpose and major organizational commitments. Source of mission and vision section. A mission statement is a statement of purpose describing who the company is and what it does. For example, what they do, why they do. So, a mission statement may describe a school's day to day operational objectives and its instructional values and its public commitments to its students and community. What is vision statement? According to the Glossary of Education Reform 2015, a vision statement or simply a vision is a public declaration that school or other educational organization use to describe their high-level goals for the future, what they hope to achieve if they successfully fulfill their organizational purpose or mission. Source of mission and vision section. Vision identifies. A vision statement may describe a school's loftiest ideals, its core organizational values, its long term objectives, and hopes its students will learn or be capable of doing after this course. Roles played by mission and vision. Mission and vision statements play three critical roles: communicate purpose of the organization to stakeholders, number two, inform strategy development, and number three, develop the measurable goals and objectives by which to gauge the success of organization's strategy. This figure is taken from a book, Manager's Guide to Leadership, to summarize their role and relationship, that what mission statement says who we are and what we value. Vision statement describes what we want to become, and strategy how we will achieve our vision, and goals and objectives how we gauge our degree of success. You can see in this figure that mission and vision both communicating purpose to stakeholders. So in this last slide, I'm going to summarize some important points. So mission and vision both relate to an organization purpose and aspirations and are typically communicated in some form of brief written statements. A mission statement indicates reason for being and how it aspires to serve its key stakeholders. Mission statement is a narrower, future-oriented declaration of the organization purpose, and both mission and vision guide strategy development and help to communicate the organization purpose to stakeholders, set goals and objectives to determine either strategy is on track. Thanks for watching.